Hi guys, I'm gonna do a quick resin update. So this is my first piece. It has a white back. I made this princess one and I put a lot of layers in it. The sweets one. And this cute pony one. These brass knuckles with purple and blue. And I use chunky glitter. The stitch one with scrump. Scrump piece. And another stitch piece. Have this one as well with purple glitter. And there's this little one as well. And I've also made a few small gummy bears from Tattooed Cookies mold. So I have 5 of those. And I made a gummy bear. This one. And the colors turned out so nice. There's this one as well. And this one with pink glitter. And this one with yellow glitter. I have these two lollipops, they're the same. And then there's this one. This little Hello Kitty piece with purple glitter. And there's this little cute penguin. I made these vampire lips. And I have these rings. And I have a heart one as well. And I have these. And this one as well. This little charm. Some red lips. And then I made some snowflakes. I put some blue tinsel glitter in front of this one. Some silver tinsel glitter. And this plain one. Some gold little stars. Silver stars. And some gold tinsel glitter. Now I have some rings to show you. I made this one. And there's this one. I made this with cellophane. And the pink one as well. I made this bow ring. Another bow ring. Purple one. Blue one. Pink one. And another pink one. I have another heart with tinsel glitter. And I have 2 little bow rings. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the resin update. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.